If I live to be 100, I will never understand why people go out of their way, spend plenty of money and lots of time to ruin their vehicles. This vehicle came in with a no crank condition. Battery was stone dead. Found a bunch of codes, cleared some out, did some research and found the number 34 fuse, 2 amp, blown in the underhood fuse box. See power on this side. No power on this side. Look to the wiring diagram. This fuse goes to the ignition switch and the anti-theft module. I changed the fuse out several times trying to get a pattern of how it blows, and it only blows when you turn the key on. And lo and behold, you come around here and you see that pink wire back there with this extra wire tapped into it. Guess what? No more short. Put a new fuse in. Power on both sides. Got to wiggle and jiggle the key. Everything lights up. And it cranks up and runs. Imagine that. And the bad thing about this one is the customer stated that it stopped running when he hit a bump. Well, I don't know how a bump hooks a wire up to your ignition switch on the wrong leg, because that blue wire most likely is going to an amplifier. It goes back here, ties in with these other wires, and like I said, it probably goes to an amp. It's probably the turn-on circuit for it, and the turn-on circuit for an amp is way too much load for that 2 amp fuse, and we can't go with a heavier fuse because it has specific needs and it communicates and all that kind of stuff. So you really don't want to go and overdo that, because if there ever was a problem in the main system, it would blow it all, burn it all to pieces. But there's another one. Somebody spent hundreds of dollars and a whole bunch of time to screw up a vehicle. The codes that I have of relevance are the B1370, B1380, B1395, and B1529 and 1517. Those were the ones that were of consequence, and they were all related to that fuse being blown. I cleared the codes, and strangely enough, they did not come back. So somewhere along the way, the system will pick it up if you crank on it long enough. Who knows why people do these things? Anyways, it's basically fixed. I got to put this mess back together. They really need to have all that stuff yanked out of there, but we'll tuck it in there and get it to where it will go.